Okay, I don't know if you know or not, but apparently our friends to the Great White North, we have several students who are in the Calgary, Canada area, and they've had to cancel their gatherings because of some severe weather. Anyway, so one of our students, Sandra, posted in the discussion. So winter's hitting us hard. Here's a little math quiz. We are getting up to 35 centimeters of snow over the next 24 hours. So how many inches per hour would that make? The winner gets an all-expense-paid trip to enjoy driving in this and the negative 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Any takers? So I thought, what an opportunity to apply what we've learned and as well as look at some unit conversion problems. So, oops, cat just jumped on my lap. So she has 35 centimeters in 24 hours. And she wants to know what that would be in inches per hour. So what we need to do is to put in our conversion factors. So first of all, we want to get from centimeters to inches. A conversion factor I know is there's 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. Right now we've got hours, and that's what we want to get to. So now we multiply across the top. 35 times 1 is 1. Centimeters divided by centimeters, those units disappear. Across the bottom we have 24 times 2.54, which gets us to 60.96 hours. 35 inches in 60.96 hours. So we've converted to inches to hours, but that really doesn't make a lot of sense. We need to make it so that it is a unit rate, that our denominator is 0. To get our denominator to 0, we want to divide both our numerator and our denominator by 60.96. Why did I choose that weird number out of nowhere? Well, if I happen to divide the denominator by 60.96, what's going to happen? 60.96 divided by 60.96, that gets us to 1 hour for a denominator. 35 divided by 60.96, that gets us to 0.57 inches. So our wonderful friends to the north, they have a snow rate of basically about a ½ inch an hour. I hope it's not as bad as this.